Today I'm doing a how-to video on how to replace the battery on a Ryzen Samsung droid phone. So right here, you can see there's a little slot. You can put your fingernail in. You can pry this off, and then you have the back. Yeah. Here's the battery. Make sure when you replace the battery, it's the same kind of battery. It's like 1600 milliamps right here, and right here there's a little slot. You can take the battery out. Look on the other side. There is 3.7 volts lithium ion battery, Li-ion, and make sure the same size and same brand, like Samsung right there. Samsung right there. So yeah, so you can put the old battery aside and get your new one. So yeah, the batteries on Amazon, if you can get it on Amazon, they're really inexpensive. And yeah, I got this battery for $5, and it works well. So take it, put it in. This is the same battery, Li-ion battery with 1600 milliamps. You can slide it in. Make sure this stuff right here, these three metal things, line up with these three metal things. So slide it in there, and like that, and that. See your new battery in there, and you get your back. Put it back on and go around it, make sure it's all the way on from there. And then you want to get your charger right here, plug it in, and it will charge. So yeah, you can charge it. It'll take a little bit for it to charge because it's a brand new battery, but yeah. Take it out, power it on. I already charged this battery. It's turning on. And yeah, that's how you get your batteries to work. Make sure to watch my next video, will be coming out soon. How to make your iPhone 6 box look like the 6S. So, if you're doing an unboxing or something in front of your friends or something, you can have a 6S box here, and then you take it out. This is actually iPhone 6, but you can have it as 6S box. So yeah, there it is. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.